Okay, we're all finished here and I'm just doing my roof inspection, and I just wanted to point out, you can tell where somebody else has lifted this sheet here before, because that sheet there, it's kinked there, it's kinked down the bottom, it's got another kink over there, right? And even where these screw holes are, they've got them kinked out where the screw goes in. So that's another tradesman that was here doing that sheet before we got here. Probably the one that lifted the two sheets either side in the middle, just pumped that tiny little bit in the middle. But now, checking over the rest of the roof, other than the rusty screw heads, which are all here everywhere because these aren't the 40 micron coated screws, these are only 16 micron coated, and they're not supposed to be within 16 kilometres of water, I don't think, for these screws. But anyway, so they've all gone rusty, so it'd be better to replace those before they start rusting the sheets. That gutter on that side's okay. This one over on this side here is got a fair few leaves in it. I don't know where all the leaves came from in this one. And also this sheet here, you notice we didn't even touch this sheet, but there's 4 screws missing in the bottom of that sheet, so that's pretty normal. One of the screws looks like it's here, but anyway, and so that gutter needs to be cleaned out. Other than that, we're finishing off our sheet, and I'll put those 4 screws in over here and then we're all done.